This is the Kiss Black Lash 2-in-1 Glue plus Liner. So this is a felt tip liner that makes the application of lashes so much easier. The eyeliner itself has a matte finish and instantly is sticky, so you can apply lashes right away without having to wait for it to get tacky, which just makes the whole process much easier, plus skipping out the lash glue step, so just having straight to the liner. So this comes in a few different shades. You can find it in a brown as well. Works great with all eyelashes, does not have to be magnetic ones, which I know was previously the way to go. So here I am applying the lash liner itself. Very easy to get a nice flick on it because it is such a fine tip. It doesn't tug, and for mine itself was very pigmented. Make sure with this style pen that you store it sideways. For me, that's how I have the longest life with them. So these are amazing. I honestly don't want to go back to other glue just for the fact that I can get it done so much quicker. Definitely check it out.